Hi guys, Ruby Naka here. Answer to this question primarily lies in the history of JJ Act. If you look at the history of the JJ Act, it is the result of India's commitment to become a signatory of United Nations Convention on the Rights of Children. In short, it's called as UNCRC. So UNCRC, when countries become members and signatories and ratify, it requires that they go back to their home countries and develop laws pertaining to UNCRC, pertaining to children within the framework of UNCRC. So when India committed themselves to become the signatories and ratified UNCRC, they were required to make a law to protect children. So if you really look at UNCRC, as I told you, United Nations Convention on the Rights of Children. So the UN Convention is based on the rights, and the laws that came in reply to their commitment also based on the rights, which means JJ Act, which came in reply to the commitment India made to UNCRC. And since UNCRC is a rights-based convention, JJ Act also becomes a rights-based law to protect children. Now, if you look at the dignity of a child, it is one of the fundamental rights of children that are enshrined in JJ Act. So when you call or address a child by his or her loss, it is a violation of a child's dignity. In our children's home, we used to call it as an orphanage. One child always used to cry whenever I introduced our children's home as an orphanage to our guests. So one other girl pointed out to me and said, "Uncle, this particular girl always cries whenever you introduce or refer our children's home as an orphanage." I knew why she is crying, because that particular child was a total orphan. But just to get a little clarity, I sat with her and I asked her, "Why does it make you upset?" She told me to the effect, "Uncle, you have a name. How would you like if I called you Baldy?" I was taken aback. I was a little confused as to not knowing how else to address this home. So I asked her, "How would you like for me to call this home?" She said, "Your home is known as Ruby Naka's home. This home can be a children's home." If you look at JJ Act very carefully, the entire JJ Act, there is no terminology called orphanage, but there is a terminology called children's home. I want you to understand this. When you point out child's loss and address them by it, it is a violation of child's dignity. So there is no place to call children's homes as orphanages. Even if there are orphans, you cannot refer that place as an orphanage. Why wouldn't we call hospitals as a place of sick people, but we call them hospitals, right? Likewise, as the girl told me in our children's home, that I cannot be called by my appearance but by my name, children also cannot be addressed or referred to by their loss. I hope this answer is helpful to you. If it did, give me a like, share it, comment on it, and most importantly, don't forget to write me your questions. Till we meet again, goodbye.